So today we're going to be adding radicals, and it's a very simple concept. All right, you're just going to take the numbers in front of the radicals and add them. The number inside the radical stays the same, but in order to add radicals, the radical numbers have to be the same. So radical 2 is the same as radical 2. So now we can combine the numbers in front. So we have 3 plus 4 is 7, and the radical 2 stays the same. It's radical 2. You do not change the number under the radical, only the numbers in front. All right, so that gives us 7 radical 2. The next question, if you notice, the radicals are different. You have radical 3 and radical 2. When this happens, when the numbers are not the same under the radical, then you cannot combine these radicals. Okay, so we cannot combine them. Think of it like 3x, x being radical 3, and 4y, y being radical 2. Can you combine unlike terms? So if we had a 3x and a 4y, can you combine them? No, because they would be unlike terms. So I have a little note here. Cannot combine unlike terms, just like you cannot combine unlike radicals. Okay, so now just because the radicals are not the same doesn't mean we can't automatically figure that out. So this 12 and this 3 are different, right? But because 12 can be broken down and simplified, we might end up getting a radical 3 where we can combine it with the 3 radical 3 over here. All right, so let's see what we can combine 12 into. So 12 breaks down 4 times 3, 4 being the perfect square, 4 becomes 2. Bring down the radical 3 without changing it. And this 4, don't forget about it, needs to be multiplied to the 2. So 4 times 2 gives you 8. Just bring down the radical 3, that doesn't change. And now, if you notice, this radical 3 matches with that radical 3. They are the same like terms. So now just bring this on down. And you add the numbers in front, leaving the radical 3 alone. So what is 8 plus 3? Is 11. If you need to use your calculator, use your calculator.